Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today we're diving deep into a fascinating project, building a Type 1 diabetes smartwatch from scratch. It's a truly inspiring story of a father's dedication and ingenuity. Let's get started.
I'm buzzing with excitement. This sounds incredible. So what's the core problem this smartwatch addresses?
Exactly. The core issue is managing type 1 diabetes, specifically the constant monitoring and alerts required. The existing solutions, like CGMs and insulin pumps, while life-changing, often have overwhelming alarms and notifications, especially disruptive for children. Think constant beeping, even during crucial moments like recess or sports.
Right, that sounds incredibly stressful. So why not just use an Apple Watch or a similar device?
That's a great question. The author points out that existing smartwatches are simply too complex for a child. Too many distractions, too many notifications. Plus, the CGM integration isn't ideal. It's often hidden, lacking a clear, comprehensive data view. Simplicity is key here.
I see. So this project focuses on creating a streamlined, single-purpose device. What were the key technical hurdles the author encountered?
Oh, there were many. A major one was establishing a reliable Bluetooth Low Energy (BLE) connection to the iOS app for consistent data retrieval from the Dexcom API. Apple's restrictions on background processes initially posed a significant challenge. It almost killed the project.
Wow. How did he overcome that?
By cleverly reversing the roles, making the smartwatch initiate the connection every 5 minutes. This reliably woke up the iOS app, allowing for data fetching. Ingenious, right? It's a testament to creative problem solving.
Absolutely. What about the hardware side? Did he use off-the-shelf components or design a custom PCB?
Both. He started with breadboards and modules from Adafruit and SparkFun for prototyping, then transitioned to a custom PCB for miniaturization. This involved learning electrical engineering fundamentals and PCB design software. Quite a leap. He even reversed the battery polarity on his first PCB attempt.
Oh no, that's a common mistake. What other challenges did he face?
Haptic motors proved finicky, with variations in resistance affecting performance. He also had to grapple with display options, case fabrications, and even the surprisingly complex process of laminating the display glass. He even used a tortilla press.
A tortilla press? That's amazing. So what was the final result?
He created working prototypes. His son uses one daily, and it's improved his blood glucose awareness. The watch looks like a real smartwatch too, but the journey highlights the massive gap between a prototype and a market-ready product. Manufacturing, distribution, regulatory hurdles. It's a whole other beast.
Absolutely, it sounds like a monumental undertaking. What did he learn from this experience?
So much. The sheer difficulty of hardware development, the importance of creative problem solving, and the surprising cost-effectiveness of overseas PCB manufacturing. He also learned that even a seemingly simple device requires significant optimization for battery life. And he's considering open sourcing the project?
That's fantastic. Making it open source could significantly benefit the T1D community. This whole project is a testament to perseverance and innovation.
Indeed. It's a powerful story of a father's love and a remarkable technical achievement. Thanks for joining us on Tech Bytes and News. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of DIY smartwatches and type 1 diabetes management. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.